Once upon a time, in a peaceful meadow surrounded by tall green trees, lived Benny the brave bunny. Benny was kind, curious, and always looking for adventures. Benny loved helping others. One morning, he spotted a little bird whose nest had fallen. Benny carefully placed it back on the branch, smiling proudly. That afternoon, all the animals gathered. Something important had gone missing: the forest's special golden acorn, the symbol of truth and trust. Wise Owl unrolled a scroll and announced, "Whoever finds and returns the golden acorn truthfully will be named Forest Hero." Benny made a promise to himself. "I will find the golden acorn and tell the truth, no matter what." He bravely ventured into the darker woods, where shadows danced and silence whispered secrets. Oops! Benny slipped into a muddy puddle. But he got right back up and kept going. "Heroes don't quit," he giggled. Benny met Sammy the squirrel. "Have you seen the golden acorn?" Benny asked. Sammy shook his head, worried. "No, but I heard someone running this way last night. They followed tiny footprints through the grass. Could it lead to the golden acorn?" At the pond, the footprints vanished. Benny looked around, thinking hard. Suddenly, Benny spotted something. Was that Rusty the fox cub hiding? Rusty looked nervous. "Did you find the golden acorn, Rusty?" Benny asked kindly. Rusty nodded slowly and held out the golden acorn. "I didn't mean to hide it. I was scared I'd get in trouble." Benny smiled gently. "Telling the truth is always the right thing. Let's return it together." Side by side, they journeyed back, the golden acorn glowing like a promise of honesty. Back at the clearing, everyone gasped as Benny and Rusty stepped forward. Rusty took a deep breath. "I found the golden acorn by accident, and I was afraid to tell anyone. I'm really sorry." Wise Owl smiled warmly. "Rusty, it's brave to tell the truth, even when it's hard." All the animals cheered. "Hooray for honesty!" they shouted. Benny and Rusty were both declared forest heroes. They had brought back not just the acorn, but honesty, too. That night, the forest held a big celebration with music, twinkling lights, and laughter. Benny sat quietly under a tree, smiling. He felt proud, not for the reward, but for doing what was right. The next morning, Benny and Rusty planted a new tree, the honesty tree, to remind everyone of their promise. The sign beneath the tree read, "Always tell the truth." It became a forest tradition. From that day on, Benny and Rusty told their story to younger animals, teaching them why honesty matters. Even little ones followed the lesson. A chipmunk returned a shiny marble he'd accidentally kept, and felt proud doing it. With honesty in their hearts, the forest grew even closer. Benny and Rusty became best friends. That night, under a blanket of stars, the forest rested peacefully, filled with trust and truth. Benny yawned and curled up in his cozy burrow, the golden acorn safely tucked away, a reminder of his brave journey. And so, Benny's tale reminded everyone that honesty makes heroes of us all, even the smallest bunny.